What's good, guys? Trade recap off of today's trade. Now, another banger. We're currently sitting on like a 5-day win streak, which is nice. Now, I think I am done for the week this week, as it is NFP week, and I typically do tend to leave it for Thursday and Friday of NFP week. So Wednesday is trading. First day on macro, I'll just quickly go over a trade that I did not take, and I'll tell you guys why. So first day on macro, we came up, we swept all of these stacked highs, all of these highs up here. We remitigated the new week opening gap low, and then boom, we broke to the downside. Market structure shift, displacement, fair value gap, etc. But the only reason I did not take that trade was because if I have a look at yes, we do have SMT at the highs, but SMT breaks down and then takes out sell side liquidity and mitigates a 4-hour bullish fair value gap. So I just immediately closed the charts there, and then I said to the team live during the live stream that I'm just going to wait for second day on macro. So quickly go to show you guys the trade that we took second day on macro. So previous day high gets swept, and as soon as previous day high got swept, we were forming a 15-minute bullish gap. So NQ breaks to the downside, and we break below swing low, displacement, bearish fair value gap, took shorts inside of the gap, stops at the high, and ES actually ran the high where our stop was during the trade. Luckily we were in the weaker pair on the Nasdaq during the timing of the trade. And yeah, I mean, I guess that SMT played a key role in why price did end up displacing to the downside, smashing all TPs. But yeah, TP1 was inside of the 15-minute gap. Like, soon as price mitigate the gap, I took around 80% of the trade off there. Took 10 contracts off there. I was in around 16 contracts in total in terms of micros, and then set stop loss. Oh no, I kept stop loss at the high because we could have easily run this internal range buy side. So we took 10 contracts off there, kept stops where they were at the moment, and then soon as we formed structure at this low and then moved back to the upside, I immediately moved my TP2 at this sell side liquidity up here. So as soon as price retraced down there, took another 3 contracts off, and by this point I was set to break even on the trade, and then left the remaining 3 contracts on the trade. Initially I did have my full TP and new week opening gap high, but the reason that I changed it to consequent encroachment was because one of my evals was about to pass, and if I did take full TP there, then the eval simply wouldn't have passed. I would literally be like $50 or something on the eval until passing it. So just aimed a little bit lower, and then as soon as final TP got hit, past that eval, and obviously all of my other accounts are in profit on the day as well, which is good stuff. So another day, another eval banked. But yeah, that goes for the trade recap for the day, and I'll see you guys inside of the group in tomorrow's live stream. See you later.